After your grout has had sufficient time to dry, probably 24 hours or more, then you want to prepare the floor, clean off all the excess grout off the top of it. There's usually a film that's left after cleaning. You want to be sure you get all that off before you seal the floor. So I found the best way to do that is get a bucket of clean water and use a fairly rough scrub brush like this. This is a scrub brush. You can get them in sort of different coarseness. Use that to clean off the excess sheen that's on the floor or the leftover grout that's on there. And then come back and wipe it off with a good chamois to dry it up. Once that's done, then you can start the process of sealing the floor, and then you're almost done. The last step in finishing the installation of your new tile floor is sealing the floor. Once that you've cleaned the floor and that you've got all the glaze off and the floor is perfectly clean, the last step is to seal your floor. Now you want to do this especially in a kitchen because you spill things on your floor and you don't want red wine or something to go down and stain the new grout that you've installed. So what you do is you get yourself some sealer. This protects the grout and the tile against stains basically. What you do is you spray it or you pour it into the seams where the grout is. You let it soak down for a little while and then you clean it off, and you do that probably 2 applications to make sure that you've got the grout sealed very well, and that will protect your floor. It's a good idea to do this every so often, maybe once a year. It'll help your floor in case you spill something on the floor so it doesn't stain the grout. After that is done, then there's going to be the reinstallation of the molding along the floor, put everything back the way it was, and your floor is basically done. And that's the process of installing a new floor once you've removed an old one. Or actually you could even use this process for installing a new floor if you did not remove an old one. So go ahead, give it a try. It's not that hard. Now I'm going to reinstall new molding on the floor after doing the tile floor, and one of the first things you want to do is sort of find the stud behind the wall. So when you nail in the molding, the new molding, that you actually go into the stud in the wall. So you can use a stud finder like this to find the studs behind the wall. That beeping noise indicates you found a stud. See, I'm a stud and it found me.